Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you how to configure your link aggregation. So first, what you want to do, you want to go to switching, and then here you'll see link aggregation, which also stands for lag. Then you go to lag configuration, and as you can see, you can select all lags. I'm just gonna select just one of them, so lag 8, then description, then status, which is, as you can see here, is not present. I'm gonna make it status up, then reactivate suspended. So I'm gonna enable it disable. So type, which is static, speed, which is something you can't change, auto negotiation, you can disable it or enable it, and by last but not least, flow control. You can either enable it or disable it. It's up to you now. And then most importantly, don't forget to click apply. And basically that is it. That is it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.